This is Professor Tiwes showing to you one of the windiest places in Africa, Iteya, Arsi, in Ethiopia. At elevated places, the wind speeds easily surpasses 30 km per hour. There is a lot of wind energy here. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and to the returning subscribers, don't forget to share. If you know a very windy place in Kenya, please put it down in the comment section. I'd like to set up my wind turbine design in such a windy place in Kenya. Please subscribe to my channel to support my research efforts. Thank you for watching.